Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of 11th class, I do hope and expect that you are all well by the mercy of Allah within this coronavirus situation. That means in the epidemic situation. My dear students, you know our class is going on through online system and you will have to continue your study keeping yourself within your residence, watching these online classes. In the last class we have discussed about the Nelson Mandela, the first black president of South Africa. Today we will discuss about the speaking pattern. How will you speak in English? How will you write your English fluently? I will give you some technique today. You are watching that some sentences are written on the whiteboard. That means you learn English. তুমি ইংরেজি শেখো। You don't learn English. তুমি ইংরেজি শেখো না। Do you learn English? তুমি কি ইংরেজি শেখো? Don't you learn English? তুমি কি ইংরেজি শেখো না? You are watching some WH words. How, কিভাবে, when, কখন, where, কোথায়, how often, কতবার, how long, কতক্ষণ. These are some WH words. These words are usually used in our daily activities, in our daily speaking. You learn English, তুমি ইংরেজি শেখো. In the same way, তুমি কলেজ যাও, you go to college. তুমি সাঁতার কাটো, you swim. তুমি খেলা করো, ফুটবল খেলো, you play football. In the same way, you use some negative sentences in our daily speaking. তুমি বাড়ি যাও না, you don't go to home. You don't go home. To will not be used in this case. তুমি ইংরেজি শেখো না, you don't learn English, as some negative sentences are used in our daily speaking. তুমি বাড়ি যাও না, you don't go home. তুমি ভাত খাও না, you don't eat rice. তুমি খেলতে যাও না, you don't go to play. In the next pattern, you will see that number 3, some interrogative sentences within auxiliary verb, with auxiliary verb, as interrogative sentences is formed in two ways. One, from with auxiliary verb, as you are watching that, do you learn English? This is a kind of interrogative sentence. And there are some interrogative sentence which is started through WH words. It will be used in number 3 and 4. Do you learn English? And if a word is added, how do you learn English? তুমি কিভাবে ইংরেজি শেখো? How do you learn English? When do you learn English? তুমি কিভাবে ইংরেজি কখন ইংরেজি শেখো? Where do you learn English? তুমি কোথায় ইংরেজি শেখো? How often do you learn English? তুমি কতবার ইংরেজি শেখো? How long do you learn English? কতক্ষণ তুমি ইংরেজি শেখো? In the same way, number 4, don't you learn English? তুমি কি ইংরেজি শেখো না? My dear students, this is a format which is usually used in our daily speaking. Don't you learn English? Don't you go home? তুমি কি বাড়ি যাও না? Don't you go to play? তুমি কি খেলতে যাও না? How don't you learn English? কিভাবে তুমি ইংরেজি শেখো না? When don't you learn English? কখন তুমি ইংরেজি শেখো না? Where don't you learn English? কোথায় তুমি ইংরেজি শেখো না? In the same way, this format will be used. My dear students, if we change our verb, means learn, if this verb is changed, then the sentence will be changed. Suppose I go home, you swim in the pond, you sing a song, you recite Holy Quran, and in the same way, if verb, one word if we change, then the sentence pattern will be changed, and in the same way, you will be able to speak your English, you will make your fluency, so that you may go forward with your English speaking. My dear students, you will have to practice in the same way. I do hope and expect that your speaking ability, and if you can speak, then if you will able to write English fluently. My dear students, as coronavirus situation is going on, you will have to remain yourself in your residence as far as possible, and you will have to always use mask and maintain the rules of health as social distance and etc. When you will go outside for your essential, for your necessaries, I pray to Almighty Allah so that you remain safe and sound. Okay, Allah Hafiz.